Hey guys, CamandSparky here. Today I have not a Lego set, but a Ionic brick system set that is Tenkai Knights. It is a Tenkai Titan pack. It's got shape-shifting bricks, a weapon brick. This is the character that it comes with. Now let's open it. I've got 2 bags here and the instruction booklet, so now I'm gonna build. Here is the Titan. Got a lot of details in it. I really like Tenkai Knights. It's a really cool show and toy. So that was the Tenkai Knights Titan pack that we did today. So don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.